Imagine unlocking exclusive rewards, VIP access, and amazing perks just for being loyal to your favorite brands. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, NFT loyalty programs are making that dream a reality. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, aren't just for digital art anymore. They're transforming how brands reward their most loyal customers. Instead of traditional loyalty cards, companies are now using NFTs as a way to offer unique rewards and experiences that can't be copied or duplicated. Here's how it works. When you buy a product, make a purchase, or engage with a brand, you get an NFT. This isn't just any digital token. It's your ticket to special perks, discounts, exclusive content, and sometimes even real-world benefits like VIP event access. Think about it. Nike's already jumping on this, offering sneaker drops and exclusive offers to loyal customers through NFTs. And it's not just big brands. Smaller businesses are also adopting this tech to reward you in ways traditional loyalty programs can't match. And the best part? These NFTs aren't just digital assets. They can also grow in value over time. So not only are you getting immediate rewards, but you're also holding on to something that could become more valuable as the brand grows. Every brand's NFT loyalty program is different. Some offer tiered memberships based on how much you spend, while others focus on community engagement. The more active you are, the more rewards you unlock. NFT loyalty programs are here to stay, and they're going to completely revolutionize the way we think about loyalty. So why settle for the same old point system when you can own digital assets that unlock real-world value? If you're ready to join the NFT loyalty revolution and start earning massive rewards, it's time to get involved. Don't miss out. Start collecting your NFT loyalty tokens today. Let me know in the comments. Are you excited about NFT loyalty programs? What brands would you love to see use NFTs? Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates on the latest digital trends. Until next time, keep collecting, keep growing, and stay ahead of the curve.